Okay, ask him now.
Abraham Lincoln.
Ask him how the cow goes.
How's the cow go?
How about the piggy? How about
The ducky.
Yeah.
quack?
Lion.
Yeah.
Roar.
How about the monkey? How about choo-choo train? Car?
How about boat? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Abraham Lincoln.